Welcome to Simple Daily English.
Hello, everyone. My name is Lily. Thank you for joining me today. In this lesson, I will talk about my morning routine. I will speak very slowly and very clearly. This story is made for beginners and A2 English learners. You can listen, repeat after me, or just relax and enjoy. Are you ready? Let's begin. Every weekday, my morning starts early. I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning. My alarm clock is next to my bed. It makes a soft sound. At first, I hear it in my dream. Then I slowly wake up. I open my eyes and look at the ceiling. The room is quiet. The light outside is soft. A new day begins. Sometimes I feel tired. Sometimes I feel calm. Sometimes I feel ready. Every morning is a little different. I turn off the alarm and stay in bed for a moment. I do not hurry. I breathe slowly and stretch my arms. I move my hands. I move my legs. My body slowly wakes up. After a few minutes, I sit up in bed. I put my feet on the floor. The floor feels cold. I stand up and walk to the bathroom. In the bathroom, I turn on the light. I look in the mirror. My hair is messy. My face looks sleepy, but that is okay. I smile at myself and say quietly, "Good morning." First, I brush my teeth. I brush them slowly and carefully. I rinse my mouth with water. I like the clean feeling. It helps me wake up. Then I wash my face with cool water. The water feels fresh. It wakes my skin and my mind. Sometimes I wash my hands again and comb my hair a little. I take my time. The morning is quiet. There is no noise. There is no rush. Next, I go to the kitchen. The kitchen is calm. In the early morning, I open the window. Fresh air comes inside. The sky is light blue. The street is quiet. Only a few people are outside. I start to make my breakfast. Most mornings, I like simple food. I do not cook much. I take bread from the cupboard. I put it in the toaster. Sometimes I cook eggs. Sometimes I eat yogurt. If I have fruit, I eat fruit. I cut an apple or peel a banana. I like fresh food. It makes me feel good and healthy. After that, I make a hot drink. Usually, I drink tea. Sometimes, I drink coffee. I like to hold the warm cup in my hands. It feels comfortable. I sit at the table and eat my breakfast slowly. I do not look at my phone. I do not watch TV. This is my quiet time. This time is only for me. I think about the day. I think about my plans. I feel calm. When I finish breakfast, I clean the table. I wash my cup and plate. I put everything away. A clean kitchen makes me feel relaxed. Then I go back to my room. Now it is time to get ready. I open my closet and look at my clothes. I also look outside the window. If the weather is warm, I choose light clothes. If it is cold, I wear a sweater or a jacket. If it is rainy, I take an umbrella. I like clothes that are simple and comfortable. I want to feel good all day long. After I get dressed, I brush my hair again. I look in the mirror. I check my face. I check my clothes. Everything looks fine. I do not wear much makeup. I like a natural look. Next, I prepare my bag. I check it carefully. I do not want to forget anything. I put my phone inside. I put my keys inside. I put my wallet inside. Sometimes I also take a notebook, a pen, or my headphones. Before I leave, I stop for a moment. I ask myself, do I have everything? I feel ready. Finally, I put on my shoes and my jacket. I open the door and step outside. The morning air is cool. I take a deep breath. I walk down the street. I see other people. Some people walk fast. Some people drink coffee. Some people talk on the phone. Parents walk with their children. Cars pass by. Buses stop and go. The city is waking up. I walk to the bus stop. I wait for my bus. While I wait, I look around. I listen to the sounds. I feel part of the city. When the bus arrives, I get on. I find a seat. I look out the window. The streets move past me. My day has started. This is my morning routine. It is simple. It is quiet. But it is important to me. It helps me feel calm. It helps me feel ready. Now I want to ask you, what time do you wake up? Do you use an alarm? What do you eat for breakfast? Do you drink tea or coffee? Thank you very much for listening today. If you enjoy slow English stories, easy lessons, and clear pronunciation, please like, share, and subscribe for more English practice.